Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to use the tracker in the simplest way. So first you will open up your Chrome browser and then you will click on the Ecom Sniper extension and then you will click on Open Tracker. From the tracker page, just below the additional settings, you will see Open CSV Tracker. Click on that and this page will be open up. Now, one click to the quick start. And then make sure whatever the settings that you want, like make sure that update stock quantity is checked and update price is checked, and then you will select your markup. So whatever the markup you are putting in here, your all the listings on your eBay account will be updated, increased or decreased according to this markup. Suppose you have like listings how you have done for 60%, and if you put on the tracker 100%, your all the listings have you done with 60%, it will be increased to 100% markup. So all the listings will be upgraded through this settings, like whatever you put in here. Now all everything is in here, you can keep as it is. This is default and that's fine, it's okay to keep this as it is. Now you will just click on start tracking. So when you click on start tracking, it will open up an eBay page and then it will download the data from your eBay account. And when you got the data, it will start processing the items. So you will see in a second. So you see, as you see, all the items have been downloaded and it already started like opening Amazon tabs and then checking on the items. You see, so it will continue until all the items have been tracked. So you will use this tracker at least 3 times like this way. And after you click on quick start and then start tracking, you just forget about it. It will automatically take care of the rest. Now, what it's doing, it's opening up every item one by one and then checking up the price and stock on Amazon. And according to those data, it's saving in here. Like the data is processed in here. You see the start price, quantity, brand, status is success. Some items will be like mismatch, or some may be out of stock. Item is not available on Amazon. That's fine. Leave it like this. When it will complete the processing, all the items, then it will automatically update on your eBay account. So your all items will be tracked. So you don't have to worry about any items like out of stock in Amazon, or price mismatch, or price increased or decreased. So make sure you are using this tracker 3 times at least in a week. If you can use it more, go for it. It's better. So see you guys.